Today is the 29th of February 2020 and I am at somewhere very interesting and very fun. But before I tell you, try to solve this riddle. I'm something you need and can't hate. If I'm hurt, you're hurt. And if I die, you die. What am I? So today I am at VH Green Nature Park, where it's located at Matang Land District, Kuching, Sarawak, and has been in operation since 1st October 2015. It also has a mission to provide the best platform for nature education and appreciation towards animals, and also a great platform to enjoy the great outdoors. What is VH Green Nature Park? It is an outdoor classroom with a unique landscape, and it also attracts educational elements that can be found around the area. Also, it has outdoor parks, educational center for children, petting zoo, and many more. Okay, so now let's go do some exploring! Guys, a slight insight in VH Green Nature Park. So if you're interested in coming here, the operating hours is from 9 a.m. until 5 p.m. every day, and for the ticketing you can go check it online on vhgreenaturepark.com. And don't forget to bring your sunblock, your hat, and your water bottle. So that is all from me. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is Sophia signing out.